So I came home today with this. A Commodore 128 in the box. A Commodore 1902 monitor. The monitor has packing information on it. Where it was delivered to the place where Mike picked it up from. So this is one use. NX10 Commodore 1571 disk drive. So I didn't know how much money to give Mike, and Mike didn't have an idea either. I don't have time to test this for another 2 weeks. I'm about to start my master's program. I mean, that's when it starts, is in 2 weeks. I will not be removing anything. But let's see. Inside the box, here's the Commodore 128. Here is an unopened ribbon for the printer. The introductory guide. I might need to send this on over to David Murray to unyellow this thing. So I don't know what any of these things are. And it's got something that looks like this. I never had a Commodore. That's the thing. I was an Atari guy. So it doesn't have the power supply, but it has these. And I don't know exactly if this is... Let's see, it's got a little bit of dirt or something that was dropped in it. Okay. And very yellow. Let's look at the C128, and there's a serial number, 1691, 1985. Man, I was 15 years old. So the serial number is 1981. Let's see. I'm sure it's the same as on the box. I don't know where the serial number would be on the box. Wow. So this is it. This is coming. Everything is supposed to be working, or it was 15 years ago when it was put away. I'm not going to power anything on until I understand what capacitors I need to switch around. Here's the serial number for the monitor. Here's the disk drive. Oh look, it's got the styrofoam with it, and the user's guide and the power cable. So I'm firstly going to need to know what I need in order to power these things up, as far as replacing capacitors or anything else. I'm going to need to get a power supply for this guy, and I'm going to need to understand how much money I owe Mike. Here's a printer, comes along with it. I can't believe it's got the monitor. This looks like the most expensive part. And oh yeah, look, it's got the monitor and the packing material. Why wouldn't it? I need to learn how to retro bright. This is going to be cool. So stay tuned. That was just the what's coming portion. I will unbox all of this, set it up, and we'll start to play around with it. But yeah, coming soon. Oh, I'm happy.